Hello, viewers, and welcome back. Today, we're going to be looking at tricks to multiplying decimal numbers. And without further ado, let me walk you through how to get this done in a jiffy. So, we have a question here which says solve 3.015 multiplied by 18.2. And how do we go about solving this? First, we will assume that this is a four-digit number and this is a three-digit number. They are both decimal numbers. But then, in attempts to multiply these decimal numbers, the trick I'm about to show you is to assume that this is a four-digit number while this is a three-digit number. And what do I mean? You will eliminate the decimal point of this number. And in front of the number, you will write how many decimal places these numbers are. And I'll tell you why in no time. So let's quickly write that out. Now, that being said, we've been able to write out this number as though they are without decimal points. Now, in front of each number, pay attention closely. There are three decimal places, which means after the decimal points, I've got three numbers, and that's why you have three decimal place here. And after the decimal point here, I have one number, and that's why I have one decimal place. Remember, we're trying to look at the tricks to multiplying decimal numbers. So when we do this, it is easier for us to multiply these numbers without stress. And when we're through, I'll tell you what to do. Without further ado, let's work this together. I'm sure we're good with our multiplication table. In that case, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Leave aside 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus the 1. You slash it. That's what? 2. 2 multiplied by 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. You write the 0 and take out the 4. 8 multiplied by 1 is 8 plus the 4. You slash it since you're already adding it, which will give you 12. You write down 2 and you write down 1. 8 multiplied by 0, anything multiplied by 0 is 0, plus the 1 is 1. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. You put the 4 and you put the 2. This way. This is how to arrange it. Now, we have the other digits here. 1 multiplied by 5. Right under the place of 1, I'll place the 5. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Then 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Remember, after multiplication, you are to add. So let's add this together, guys. What are we going to have? Bring down the 0. 2 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 2 plus 3 is 5. And what do we have here? 3dp plus 1dp is what? 4dp. That's 4 decimal places. Which means after we must have multiplied and gotten our answer, we will count 4 numbers backward and place the decimal point. This is 1 and 2. 3 and 4. You put your decimal point. So the answer to 3.015 multiplied by 18.2 will give us 54.8720. That's about the tricks to multiplying decimal numbers. Thank you very much for actively participating together with me on multiplication, and thank you for checking in. Do well to hit the like button and the subscription button if you love content like this and if you find value to the time you've spent. All right. Until we meet again, stay safe and be good. Bye bye, everyone.